Good morning. Good morning. It is Monday, February the 22nd, 2021. And it's Minnie here from Brampton, Ontario. And this morning I'm going to be doing my Monday morning market update live with you. For those of you who are looking or tuning in on Facebook, you'll be able to see some of my screens and the numbers. However, for those of you who are looking and tuning in on Instagram, you just be hearing me talk. I won't be able to share my screen with you. I hope you guys have had a good weekend so far, and have done some things that you like for this weekend. So this Monday market update, I wanted just to reiterate what the intention is. My goal is to provide you with valuable real estate content that would help you to make an informed decision when you're investing in real estate. Let me know if you guys are hearing me well in the comment below. Just let me know that because last week when I started, the microphone for Facebook wasn't working that well, and I had started the presentation. So if you're looking at this now, please let me know in the comment below. Actually, let me just do a quick test here on my phone to make sure that the microphone is working well and you're able to hear me. One moment, please. If you are looking at this, just shoot me a comment. Yes, so it looks like that's working. All right, perfect. So now that that's working, if you're looking at this video now or after the fact, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know where you're joining from. I am Minnie from Brampton, Ontario, and my goal again is to provide you with valuable real estate content that would help you to make an informed decision when you're looking to invest, buy, or sell in real estate. Now, we'll start our market update with the region of Peel. Now, the region of Peel consists of three cities, and we've got Brampton, Mississauga, and Caledon. We'll first start off with the city of Brampton. Now, the market update that I'm going to be providing you is throughout different categories and different styles of properties. So we're going to be touching the stats overall is a combination of condos and freehold properties. For those of you who are now joining, condos are properties that has a maintenance fee attached to it. This can be any style of home. So it could be condos are not just, a lot of the times you want to associate or normally it is a common misconception that condos are usually high rise for a lot of people out there. But that's not the case. So we have condos or any style of property that has a maintenance fee attached to it. So it could be high rise, low rise, even detached condos. So some of my clients who are retiring, they prefer to go into a detached condo. And how that works for them is that they want to be able to live, let's say, in a bungalow condo where they have their home for themselves and they don't want to bother their kids to kind of say, come and shovel the snow or things like that. So they might choose to move into a detached condo where the condo management is taking care of their snow removal and things like that. So, condos are any style of property that has a maintenance fee attached to it. Good morning, Angela. Thank you for joining. Good morning from Lordminster. Yay. Thanks for joining. So we're going to take it. So I guess those of you again who are joining from Instagram, you're not able to see the screen share, but those of you who are joining on Facebook, you will be able to see the screen share. So let's get right into it. One moment. All right. So we're going to start with Brampton. So in Brampton right now, out of the three cities that are in the region of Peel, we're looking at stats this week. So we've got inventory growing. So one of the main things for us right now is a shortage of inventory. And I'm seeing inventory increase week after week. Last week, Monday, we had 630 properties on the market, active listings. This week, we have 657. So we're seeing the number of inventory that is active. I see that climbing for, about 30, 37 so far, in addition to what's there per week. So inventory is growing. I'm seeing that here week after week. 657 properties active on the market. Sold for the month so far, 823. So quite a bit of properties went off the shelf. So 823 properties sold so far for the month. Last week, we had 527 that was sold by Monday. Now, sold so far for the year, I mean, a hike in that as well, 1,567 properties sold so far for the year in city of Brampton. Now, average price for the month of February so far is just over $1 million, 1,003,000. So just over $1 million. We're looking at the average price for properties in Brampton. However, average price, last week we were looking at 922,000. So we were seeing a jumping over 70,000 in pricing in the average price rising in Brampton. And that's for the fact that we've got a little bit more semi-detached that is sold and more detached properties that carry a higher price point. So let's break that down. Our active properties right now, we have 92 townhouses that are available, 43 condo apartments, 41 condo townhouses, 4 detached condo properties. I was just talking about detached condos. So we've got 4 on the market inventory in Brampton. Detached 358, linked houses 2, and semi-detached 117 to choose from in the city of Brampton. Now, link houses, just to clarify, are houses that are linked just by the garage. So they're not, like semis or 2 houses together and they're separating by a wall like that, but linked, they're just by the garage. Okay, so that's the inventory that is available as we speak as of last night in Brampton. 92 townhouses, 43 condo apartment, 41 condo townhouses, detached condos 4, detached properties 358, linked houses 2, and semi-detached 117. That brings us to a total of 657 properties available on the market in the city of Brampton. So we've got 358 detached to choose from. So, quite a bit are coming up now on the market. And my prediction is that this is going to keep rising as builders are closing out their inventories, homeowners who have bought pre-construction in Brampton, because there's quite a bit of pre-construction happening in Brampton Northwest. People who have bought, they're going to be putting their house up on the market for sale. So we should be able to see a rise in inventory coming as we're approaching the spring market. Now, let's move on to one moment. Let's move on to the city of Mississauga. But before we do that, let me just take a moment to say good morning to everyone who's joining. If you're looking at this video now, please give a thumbs up or a comment in the comment section below. This way we know that you have been here. When you're just doing the like, it doesn't tell, when you're just doing the like, I don't think I'm able to see it. I might be able to see it. Yes, I'm able to see the like. But I prefer if you can do a comment. I really appreciate it to say, hey, I'm looking in from, whichever location that you're looking from. So we're going to move on to the city of Mississauga. And so in Mississauga, we're looking at this week 719 properties to choose from in the city of Mississauga. Last week we had 716. So we're sort of, about the same number of inventory in Mississauga. Sold for the month so far is 748, while last week we had 480. So we've seen quite a bit of sales happen over the past 7 days in Mississauga. Sold for the year, 1,382 properties sold for the year in Mississauga. And when we're looking at average price point for the month, our average price point right now for February in Mississauga is $965,000, while last week we were looking at an average price of $810,000. And that's because of the kind of property that was sold, in Mississauga so far. So we've seen a jump in detached sales in Mississauga and in semi-detached sales in Mississauga. Let's look at the active listing. So right now, just to recap, we've got 719 properties on the market to choose from in Mississauga. And I'll give you the breakdown of what that looks like. We've got 20 townhouses that are available, 245 condo apartments that are on the market, condo townhouses 98 to choose from in the city of Mississauga, detached 307, linked properties 1, and semi-detached 48. So a lot of inventory in detached. So in terms of, what category of property is taking the lead, we've got detached 307, followed by condo, apartment 245 properties. This brings us to a total of 719 properties available on the market for sale in the city of Mississauga. Now we're going to quickly move on to Caledon. In Caledon, did I do the price point? I don't think. Yeah, yes, I did. So let's move on to Caledon. In Caledon, we've got 98 properties available on the market in the city of Caledon. And I've been saying all along throughout the year, we've got low inventory in Caledon. If you're an investor that has a property in Caledon, you're going to cash out quite a bit. It's a good time to put your home up on the market because we're expecting some change to happen as we approach the last quarter of this year for the market to turn around and be a buyer's market and the first quarter of next year. So that's my prediction approaching the last quarter of this year and the first quarter of next year. So if you're an investor and you're looking to liquidate that asset, it's a good time to do so. Put it up on the market, get your price out, and either put it in the pre-construction or recycle your money or wait for the first quarter of next year. If you are thinking of doing that and you're not sure what to do, just reach out to me and I'll do a free consultation, and I can provide you with information that you're looking for so that you can make an informed, educated decision based on facts, based on numbers. Now in Caledon, we've got 98 properties currently on the market. Relatively the same as of last week, we've got 92, so just about 6 more, properties. Sold for the month, 55 last week, so we've sold 100 more properties in Caledon just over the last 7 days. So quite a bit of sales happened in Caledon. Sold for the year so far, 152 properties sold for the year in Caledon. So I'll take a pause. Let me know if you have any question. Drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Average price point, we're looking at 1.4 million in Caledon, while last week Monday the average price point was sitting at 1.279 million. Now, in terms of active listings in Caledon, let's look at, the breakdown. We've got 98 properties, and these are the category of properties that are on the market. We've got 7 townhouse available, 4 condo apartment, detached condo 1, detached properties 81, linked properties 1, and semi-detached 4. So the bulk of properties that are available in Caledon are your detached properties, right? Rabindra, thank you so much for joining. I appreciate it. Let me know if you've got a question. Drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to wrap up here now for our live market update. If you're looking at this video after the fact, please, and you have a question, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Or if you don't want to state your question on the comment section, you can simply say, hey, Minnie, could you reach out to me? I've got a question that I want to ask you. My phone number as well is on the screen, so you can give me a call directly and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Now, guys, right now, I've got quite a few buyers that are already pre-approved cash buyers on the market, are ready to go. So if you know anyone that has a property just below $1 million price point, feel free to reach out to me and we can wrap this up sooner than you think. Talk to you soon again. It's Minnie here from Brampton, Ontario. Always remember to have an attitude of gratitude. Take care. Bye-bye for now. And leave a comment in the comment section below. Bye.